The Conquest S23 5G is the most underrated rugged flagship of all time. Nobody is talking about this device. I had no idea that this device existed until I did some research. The device is a rugged phone that packs tons of cool features that I'll be discussing in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. The Conquest S23 5G is Conquest's latest flagship device. It is designed to be rugged just like other rugged phones. It has rubber corners. On the right side is a power button and volume keys. On the other side is a SIM slot and other functional keys. At the back is a huge camera bomb that contains 3 cameras, a flash and IR lights. So let's talk about its top specs. The Conquest S23 5G features a large 6.58-inch 120Hz wall-drop notch display, which provides a clear and responsive visual experience. The phone runs on the Android 12 operating system and is powered by the Dimensity 900 processor, the same chip that powers the 11 PowerMo 18, PowerMo 18T, the V30, etc. It utilizes 12GB of RAM, and the RAM could be expanded by an additional 5GB virtually. The phone is also equipped with a 256GB internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. The phone's camera system is also impressive. Like I mentioned earlier, it features 3 cameras at the rear, a 100MP main camera, 20MP night vision camera, and 5MP macro lens. The Conquest S23 5G is available in different versions. There is a version that features a thermal camera. The phone also features a 32MP front-facing camera, which is capable of capturing high-quality selfies. The phone is backed up by a 10,000 mAh battery, and it supports 66 watts fast charging, which makes it an ideal choice for users who need a phone that lasts all day. The phone also features a dual slot DMR walkie-talkie and a POC network walkie-talkie, making it a great choice for those who need a phone for outdoor or emergency situations. Additionally, the Conquest S23 features Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, NFC support, and 5G support, making it a future-proof phone that can handle the latest wireless technologies. The phone also is rated IP68 and IP69K, which makes it water and dust resistant and also resistant to high temperature and high pressure water, making it ideal for outdoor use. Overall, the Conquest S23 is a rugged phone that is packed with high-end features, making it an excellent choice for those who need a durable and reliable phone, outdoor activities, great performance, or emergency situations. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Conquest S23 5G, so make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.